Well, one manufacturing center is back in business, bringing an economic boost to Lowndes County. The Golden Triangle Development Link says a contract was awarded to Namo Tally Incorporated. The 5-year deal will involve the production and delivery of ammunition for the shoulder-launched multipurpose assault weapon system. The contract is worth an estimated $97 million and has a September 2020 completion date. In 2014, operations were suspended at Namo Valley, Mississippi Manufacturing due to a lack of contracts. The SMAW contract will initially create 12 new jobs in 2 years. Mississippi Development Authority will provide assistance for workforce training. The group is a technology-driven company that specializes in high-performance defense and space solutions.